Grateful for another beautiful day today. Last week we had a bit of emergency, so I couldn't. I did record a couple trades. Had to stop in the middle of it, and I had to cut a trade short. I did trade last week, but you know what? I'm not gonna post that video. I'm just gonna give you all an update right now. But before I do, tomorrow we got durable goods orders month over month at 8:30, so that is something that we've got to watch out for today and tomorrow. So today price could definitely move sideways. We're gonna look at the charts before we make that determination, but we do have news, so that's just something that we've got to watch out for. Last week on Friday, we did a negative $399.32. Okay, I did take it was a bad trading day, man. Actually, it was pretty bad. 46 trades. So for the week, we actually ended negative 350.72, and for the month, we are still up $1,900. Okay, so what does that mean for our trading plan? We are still ahead by about $1,000. So we are ahead, what, 4 weeks? So today, or this week, we've just got to do 240 to continue to stay on track. All right, so that's where we are. Let's look at the charts now. All right, so looking at the daily candle real quick, I know because we're intraday trading, we should only be looking at the maybe even 15-minute, but I want to mark out all of the fair value gaps real quick, and I want to mark out this order block here, this higher time frame order block on MNQ, as well as this order block here, just a wick right now for now. Okay, let's drill down to the 4 hour. The 4 hour is kind of in line with that fair value gap. Alright, now the 1 hour. The 1 hour is definitely showing bearish signs. Okay, so we had a manipulation up last week on Friday to send price down lower. Same with ES. ES and NQ actually took out previous day's lows. Okay, so this could be a sign that price may want to head back up. Let's look at the 15-minute real quick. Asia session. Okay, so we could see lower prices during the AM and then a reversal for the PM session. I don't see any divergence right now except for here, where this indicated that this would have been a short. Right now, everything is showing bearish signs. Okay, so they're all in line. The 5-minute chart. Yeah, until I see a change in the state of delivery on the 15-minute, I don't think I'm going to be going long anytime soon. But these are potential targets. London high, Asia high. Okay, these are all potential targets that price could take out for liquidity to send price down lower. Or we could simply go down lower and then send price up higher. Alright, so let's see how the rest of the day comes. Alright, I wanted to show you all the first trade of the day today. I saw this divergence here. It's a very small divergence from here to here, right there, on the 5-minute. So that divergence that I'm looking at is that, very, very small. With NQ, MNQ being the weaker ticker, so I'm simply going to be taking a 2-to-1. There we go, a 2-to-1. And we're going to see how this goes. So if I hit that target, I'm going to be done. I'm going to be closing out my computer, and I'll be done trading for the day. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button to join me on my journey to 100K this year. And if you wanted to take advantage of Apex's 80% off sale, 1 day to pass, there's a link in the description below as well. And if y'all are into crypto, then y'all got to join Kaizen, which is Brian Jung's crypto Discord. Is probably one of the biggest and one of the best. Over the weekend, it's been crazy. But I'm gonna make a video on my crypto earnings so far, like up to date, and it's been good. It's been pretty good. So there's a link in the description below for that as well if you wanted to join. But so far, price is being a little weird. It wants to hold that fair value gap. Normally this would mean the price would head back down lower, but anything can happen. Alright, so far the position's looking good. If it breaks this low here, then I'm going to trail my stop to a little above break even. 9:30 open is coming in about a minute, so we'll see. I gotta hop into a meeting, so y'all will be muted. Alright, I was on a call, so I couldn't really explain to you all the different changes, but when 9:30 open happened, I saw price heading up, so I switched because I thought it was gonna take out all this liquidity. So I took some profits on that short that I was in, and then I switched to 3 contracts long. And then after watching price action, I realized that this was all manipulation during the 9:30 open, and the price was gonna head down lower. So I let it stop out my position, and then I entered 3 contracts short, but instead of entering only 3, I hit the sell button twice. So I entered 6 contracts, which is why you all saw 6 contracts. Then I took the 4 hour fair value gap right here, and I measured out where the 50% level was, and price wicked right into that level. So my first target was a 50 fib level, and then underneath that there was a daily mean threshold, right? I had 2 take profits there. The first one I just took early here, and the second one I took here, around here right before it hit my target because I didn't want to be greedy. So that was a win. I mean, I'm up $239.52 for the day, and I am so tempted to enter another position because 10 o'clock hasn't started yet, and 10 o'clock is when the silver bullet is. But I think I'm going to stop trading. All right? I think I'm going to stop trading. Let's look at the performance summary for today on my funded account, my Apex funded account. Took 3 trades, 1 losing trade. Total net profit of $239.52. We only traded MNQ today, and I stopped trading at 9:39 a.m. Let's get TradeZella. For the month of March, we are at 2.1K now. Today, as y'all saw earlier, $239.52. So let's look at the executions real quick. Y'all saw this short here, sold here, immediately purchased a long, stopped out here, and then purchased 2 3 contract positions here by accident, and then sold down here. All right, basically at the same spot. But yeah, this was my day today. I mean, y'all saw in the video my executions. Y'all saw everything that had happened. So that's where I am right now. Thank you so much for all of y'all's concerns and comments. Family is good. We did have a bit of a scare, but everybody's okay. All right. So thank y'all so much for the comments. It really means a lot. It's kind of scary when things happen just out of the blue, but everybody's good. Thank y'all so much. But keep me in y'all's prayers. That'd be greatly appreciated. Also, let me know how y'all did today in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow.